Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about table row selection along with the selected row count. So let's start with an example which is vehicle status detail. And here I have the table with the columns vehicle number, type, status, health rate, alert type and live preview. So for selecting a row, here I have a checkbox where you can select the multiple rows, and when you select the multiple row, the selected row count will come here. Like while I select this, the row count will be 1, and if I select this, row count will be 2. So any number of rows you can select. If you have number of rows like 100, so it will work same way. The selected row count will increase while you select the row, and when you unselect this or uncheck this, the selected row count will decrease. So this is the very simple trick. You can use this trick to create your table with the row selection and selected count. So let's start with the here example. So we'll start with the component. So entire row is created here as a component, and all components are available here. So you can customize or you can use this according to your usage. And here this checkbox selection and how the selected row count is working. So we'll start with that. Before that, I will so first we need to assign the value. So if I go to the local variable, here I have created a number variable which is saying selected count and value is 0. Next, here you can see this is the number, and this 0 is assigned with the selected count. So selected count is attached or assigned with this number. So whenever we give the interaction here in a checkbox, like in prototype it is given here, like change to checked. So here this component is having two variant, unchecked and checked. So while we select this and give the interaction, so here you can see selected count and the value is given as selected count plus 1. So how you can give this interaction? Just add, come to the set variable, selected count, the variable which is created, and where it will impact the value selected count addition 1. So this interaction you can add it in this way. So I'm going to remove this. Already we have given this. Same way for the condition when it is already checked. So once it is already checked, it is getting the value -1. So selected count will decrease with the 1. And when it is unselected and you are going to select this, means you are giving the click interaction, then it will increase with the 1. So this is the very simple method to create the row selection along with selected row count, and this file is uploaded in Figma community, so you can use. And please write on the comment how is the trick, and how is this lesson for today. Thank you very much.